how to make your first manual buy and sell orders using Dexcelerate. First thing you can do is go over to the search bar. It's going to ask you what chain you're currently trading on. I'm trading on the Solana network, so I'm going to select Solana. Now you can search token by contract address or by name. So for example, if I want to find Chill Guy, I can type it in and it'll pop up here and I can select the token I want to trade. And as well, they have a bunch of tokens listed for you here, and you can see their age here, their volume, liquidity, and market cap. So all this information is listed for you right on screen. You can also filter by time from the 24 hours clock up to the 5 minutes. And for the video, we're going to trade a token called Trade, funny enough. So now on your right-hand side, you can see all the details on the token. You can see its name, the contract address you can copy here, the price of the token, market cap, safety features, and even the transactions over here from 5 minutes to 24 hours. And as well, if you scroll all the way down, you can see much more information listed here. Now, before we place our buy order, you want to configure your settings and make sure you have them set correctly and there's no mistakes. So you click on settings, and now it's going to ask you buy at market, limit, or dip. For this video, we're going to keep it simple and leave it on market. I will discuss limit and dip in future videos of the Academy, but for now, we're going to keep it like the way it is. And then now here you can see we have our targets. So we have our take profit and our stop loss. So a take profit means how much do you want to sell at what percent? So let's say we buy this token and we want to sell when it goes up 100%, and we want to sell 100% of our position. So this is how we would do it. So when the token goes up 100%, the accelerator will automatically auto sell for us and take the profit of 100%. And now if the same thing goes for stop loss, let's say you don't want to lose on this trade more than 30%. You can set a stop loss for 30% and you can put 100% of your position here and it will automatically sell for you as well. They also have a trailing stop loss. So basically what that means is when the price decreases from 30% from the highest point after you bought, it'll sell all your tokens immediately, automatically. So that's what trailing is. I normally keep it on normal, and that's how we set these settings up. Now we can head over to priority and set our slippage and fees. So what is slippage? Slippage is essentially the amount of room you allow a transaction to go before it fails. Let me give you an example. Let's say I want to buy this token right now and I'm going to put 10% slippage. So you can see right here how volatile this token is. Let's say when I place my buy order, this token moved up 20%. Our transaction will not go through because we only allowed enough room up to 10% of a move. So slippage is essentially a way to protect your trades from buying at a higher price than you were planning on. So you can set them here to whatever you like, or if you're okay on leaving it on auto, you can do that and click on auto. Next, we have our gas fees. I quickly want to mention that Dexcelerate only charges a 1% fixed fee on all transactions. The rest of the fees actually go to the GTO and to the blockchain to ensure smooth and quick transactions. Just wanted to let you guys know what the fees are, where they're going and where they're associated with. Now you can set what gas you want to use. So for example, let's say I'm going to do like a $5 or $10 buy or even a $50 buy. You can keep it on low. If you're playing with more than $50, maybe between 50 to 100, you can set it to medium. And let's say you're doing $100 buys or more, you can set it to high. And as well, you can play around and put your own custom fee here. And as well, if you guys, this is very important, if you guys are trading with hundreds of dollars per trade, you for sure want to leave your anti-MEV on. It will protect you from bots and it will save you a lot of money because these bots will be able to steal your money essentially if you don't have this on. It does slow down the transaction a little bit and it does cost a little bit more, but it's well worth it. So for this example, for this video, I'm going to set it to low since we're going to do a small buy. And now we're going to click save. Now we're going to go ahead and place our first buy order. So I'm going to show you a couple things before we do. You can click on this lightning bolt here and they already have a bunch of presets here. So if you want to do a quick buy, you can select whatever preset you like and buy it that way. Or if you want to input the amount you want to buy manually, you can do it this way. So for example, let's say I want to do a 0.05 SOL buy. I'll enter 0.05 and all you have to do is click buy, give it a few seconds. And as you can see, we're in the transaction and now it's directing us to orders. So we're going to click on the order and we can see our active orders here. And you can even review the details of the order, your entry price, how much you bought, and a bunch of other things. And our stop loss and take profits are set the way we did it earlier. And now in order to sell, and if you want to get out, you can click on sell. They also have settings here where you can change your take profits and stop loss, depending if your strategy changed and your fees as well before you sell. I'm happy with the way it is. So we're going to go ahead and click sell. And you can also choose here how much you want to sell. So let's say I want to only sell maybe right now 80%. I can do that. But for this video, I'm going to take out completely everything. So we're going to sell 100%. Click confirm. Give it a few seconds. And the order has been completed. And you can look at the completed orders here. And that's how you make your first manual buy and sell order with Dexcelerate.